What is going on, guys? Dalen here from Modern Automotive Performance, and today we are here to talk about our Evo 10 power steering reservoir. And before we get in too deep, as always, guys, if you can hit that subscribe button, that helps the channel, helps us, helps you, helps everybody. Okay, so what I have in front of me here is our direct fit power steering reservoir. So this is actually something that we actually got from you guys. The consumers were saying this was something they were looking for. So we spent the last, I don't know, probably about a year looking into kind of how do we want to make it, stylistic features, what features we want it to have. And this is what we come up with after a lot of revisions, a lot of testing. We're very proud of what we have on the table in front of us. So this is going to be the direct fit. So that means it's going to bolt right into the car. No modifications necessary. All the factory hoses and connections will go right up to it. No modifications needed. Let's talk about a few of the differentiators on this product. So it's going to be 57% larger than stock, a lot more fluid. So for those of you that are road racing the car or beat on the car a lot more fluid, it's going to cool a lot faster, you're going to get a lot more life out of the fluid itself. Just a big kind of plus to have with a aftermarket container. Number two, looks a lot better. So I don't know if anybody's seen the factory one. It's really ugly. And obviously we don't like ugly. So we went after some stylistic improvements followed by our catch can. So a lot of the things you'll notice on this uses similar hardware, similar design characteristics to our catch can. So it's gonna be a great match in your engine bay. What you can kind of see here too, both fittings are factory style fittings. Talk about bolting in, connecting right to it. Everything's gonna be factory style connections, but you can unthread them. They're all ORB fittings. So if you wanted to connect to AN lines or something of that nature, it can grow with you in the vehicle. Next feature, sight glass. So one thing I absolutely hate personally when you get an aftermarket tank in the car is not being able to know how much fluid is in it or when you have the right amount. People have like sticks on the top or tell you to like measure with like a measuring cup, and I don't keep any of that in my garage. So we wanted something that's very easy to read and looked good. So that's gonna be the flush mount sight glass. Very good feature. So moving on, after we talk about the sight glass, the next feature is actually a screen inside of the tank. One thing that you'll notice with power steering systems is they got a lot of contamination in them. So you get stuff like little metal shavings, pieces of hoses and things like that. And to prevent those from going through the pump, this is actually at the bottom of the inlet to the pump and will filter all the fluid that goes through it. Not too thin, it's gonna clog right away, but it's something you'll check every, once a year or something like that. You'll wanna take a peek and make sure it's not clogged up. It's a washable, reusable filter, threads right on. Super neat feature that hopefully most people won't really notice or know that they have it, but it's gonna be something that's gonna help prevent any contamination to go into your pump, lasts a lot longer. Features. You can have it in any color you want, as long as it's black. Like that, black. As with most MAPerformance products, all the hardware will be a stainless steel hardware, so it's not gonna corrode or fall apart in your engine bay. It will last the life of your vehicle. In fact, in the case of Mitsubishi, these actually might last longer than the vehicle itself if you live in the Midwest, but want to make sure that that small little touch is always going to finish off our products. And if you guys want more freaking Dalen, subscribe now. Smash that like button. As always, guys, we really appreciate you subscribing, liking the video. And if you're interested in this product, it's going to be in the description itself and then also the top comment. Go ahead and click on that. If you have any questions, we have a sales staff here for 12 hours a day to answer your questions, help you out, get one on order for you. And as always, we really appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Oh, I'm just gonna vomit after this.